Welcome to the web-based training on safety and security, ensuring peace of mind for you and your guests in your homestay. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand fire safety and procedures, define first aid basics, describe guest registration and information, and handle property access and keys. This course explores essential safety and security measures to implement in your homestay. As a new homestay host in India, welcoming guests into your home is an act of trust and hospitality. Creating a safe and secure environment is paramount for fostering a positive experience for both you and your guests. Hosts and guests should be able to trust each other, feel secure, and feel that their well-being is taken care of. The host should provide clear instructions and guidelines for guests to follow and should ensure that the homestay has adequate security measures in place. This course consists of 4 modules. Let's get started with the first module, Fire Safety and Procedures. To begin with, in the first module, we will discuss about fire safety and procedures. Fire safety is paramount in any living situation, and a homestay is no exception. Ensure your home has working smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors on each floor. Near sleeping areas, test them regularly, review a fire escape plan with your guest, including designated exits and meeting points outside the house, and familiarize your guest with the location of the fire extinguisher. The following points should be kept in mind. Prevention is key. Regularly inspect your property for fire hazards like faulty electrical wiring, overloaded outlets, or flammable materials near heat resources. Install smoke detectors and fire extinguishers in your homestay, ensuring they are functional and strategically placed. Knowledge is power. Familiarize yourself with fire safety procedures, including how to use a fire extinguisher and safely evacuate your homestay. Consider attending a fire safety training course to gain comprehensive knowledge. Clear communication. Establish open lines of communication with guests and encourage them to report any safety concerns or issues promptly. Clearly display a fire escape plan in your homestay, outlining the evacuation route and designated meeting point. Explain the plan to your guests during the welcome process and remind them of its location. You install smoke detectors on every floor of your homestay and a fire extinguisher in the common area. You attend a local fire safety training and display a clear fire escape plan near the entrance, highlighting the evacuation route and meeting point in the garden. During the welcome process, you explain the plan to your guests and answer any questions they might have. In the second module, we will now discuss about first aid basics. Knowing first aid basics is essential for homestay hosts to handle minor injuries or medical emergencies that may arise during the guest's stay. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit on the premises. Ensure the guests are aware of its location and how to use its contents. Here's a rundown of key first aid skills and supplies for homestay hosts. Be prepared. Equip your homestay with a well-stocked first aid kit containing essential supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and adhesive bandages. Consider including basic medications for common ailments such as headaches or allergies upon consultation with a medical professional. Basic knowledge. Familiarize yourself with basic first aid procedures like administering CPR, treating minor cuts and scrapes, handling allergic reactions, choking relief, wound care, and recognizing signs of medical emergencies. Consider enrolling in a first aid certification course to gain practical skills and knowledge. These skills can be life-saving in the event of cardiac arrest or any medical emergencies. Emergency contact information. Provide guests with emergency contact information and 24/7 assistance to address any concerns, emergencies, or requests during their stay. Display a list of emergency contact numbers for ambulance services, hospitals, and poison control centers in a prominent location, such as a first aid kit or guest information sheet. Ensure that guests know how to access emergency services if needed. Furthermore, in the third module, we will learn about guest registration and information. Managing guest registration and information in a homestay is essential for providing a smooth and welcoming experience. This can be done by creating a custom registration form that asks for all the necessary information such as name, address, contact information, and arrival and departure dates. The system should also allow for easy editing and updating of guest information as needed, and a secure way to share guest information with relevant staff. Guests should be informed of any fees or charges associated with their stay. Here are steps to effectively handle guest registration and information. Legal requirements. Adhere to a local guest registration regulations. In India, many states require homestay owners to register foreign guests with the local police station within a defined time frame. Familiarize yourself with the specific requirements in your region. Hosts should consult with local authorities, tourism offices, or legal professionals to ensure compliance with guest registration regulations and other relevant laws governing accommodation services. Additionally, staying informed about updates or changes to regulations is important to maintain legal compliance and provide a positive experience for guests. Guest information gathering. Collect essential guest information during the booking process, including their full names, contact details, passport or ID copies for foreign guests, emergency contact information, and any special requests or preferences. This information can be crucial in case of emergency or unforeseen circumstances. This can also include consent for data processing and acknowledgement of house rules. Data security. Store guest information securely and confidentially. Utilize secure online platforms for booking and information storage, and avoid sharing guest details with unauthorized individuals. Respect guests' privacy and comply with data protection regulations by securely storing their personal information and only using it for necessary purposes related to their stay. In the fourth module, we will talk about handling property access and keys. Managing property access and door keys in a homestay is essential for ensuring security and convenience for both hosts and guests. Implement security measures to safeguard keys and prevent unauthorized access to the property. This may include using secure key storage devices, installing outdoor security cameras or alarms, and limiting access to sensitive areas. Following are some best practices for handling property access and keys. Secure key management. Implement a secure system for managing keys. Consider using key safes or coded door locks to enhance security. Avoid leaving spare keys lying around unattended. Keep track of key distribution and usage by maintaining a log or record of which guests have been provided with keys and when they were returned. This can help ensure accountability and security. Clear instructions. Provide guests with clear instructions on how to access the property and use the keys. This could include information on lock codes, key locations, and any security measures they need to be aware of. Remind guests to keep keys secure and not to share access codes with unauthorized individuals. Finally, lost or stolen keys. Have a plan in place for handling lost or stolen keys. This could involve having spare keys readily available or offering guests the option to rekey the locks at their own expense. Have contingency plans in place for handling lost or stolen keys, lockouts, or other emergencies that may arise. Maintain contact information for locksmiths or maintenance personnel who can provide assistance if needed. Keep a spare key close to the entry for emergency situations. And ensure guests have access to a spare key without compromising security. By implementing these safety and security measures, you can create a trustworthy and secure environment for your guests, allowing them to relax and enjoy their homestay experience in India with peace of mind. Thank you for watching this chapter. Let's meet in the next one.